Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to edit shortcuts in your Snapchat. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to edit shortcuts in your Snapchat, all you gotta do is simply tap open your Snapchat. So once you open it, you will end up in this kind of interface. So now simply take a snap, and once you have taken the snap, hit on the send to option. Once you have tapped on hit send to option as well, you can find a plus mark sign. So simply tap on that particular thing, and to edit your shortcuts, you need to simply tap on the shortcut that you have created. Once you have done this, you can add people or remove people from this list and simply hit the save button. Once you have done this, you will be able to find a notification called shortcut updated. So by doing this, you can simply edit your shortcut in your Snapchat. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.